Specialty Recreation and Marine. Are you guys down there in the skybox too? VIP? Casey and the guys from Specialty hanging out with us tonight.
That's what happens if you give a kid cotton candy before he gets on a bike.
Class done down the line for the 50cc Open main event. Justine Thornton, Devin Didier, Ellie Oscat, Bruce Wiring, Tyler Barnhart, Steve Gordon, Rusty